Hey everyone, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this short video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our concrete workshops and estimating classes. If you take a workshop, they are, well, for concrete, they are every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, where we will go over the basics, the basic thought process for when you are, trying to complete your concrete takeoff, whether it's a foundation, whatever it is, whether it's some demo and you have to figure out what to do in that case. Show you how to read the sections and show you how to read the plans and be more efficient. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to like, join, subscribe, tell your friends, and let's get into a really good set of plans that I look forward to working on. This is a car wash. And the good thing about a car wash, and I'm going to pan in a little bit, is that yeah, it has like a where it collects all the water right down there, and so that's going to be very interesting to look at all the section views that are included in our, because basically those are footers, right? Those are concrete walls, maybe short little walls or whatever they are, and so we'll go through that and we see that it's a 5-inch slab on grade. Tells us all about the reinforcement and the vapor barrier and all that good stuff. And so we'll take a look at that section view. And so we have to be able to determine how many cubic yards of concrete, how many cubic yards of fill material that they need. We need up to 3 inches. Well, how many cubic yards does that mean? And the best part for this one, where I'm real excited about this one, because I really like the more complicated, the better. The man, I love the complicated ones. And all of these section views are telling us that concrete wall, that concrete footer, that concrete step, whatever, is very complicated because you have a gazillion section views. And what do the section views tell us? Well, if you go to image 8 on picture S200, I'm going to show you the construction of whatever it is, right? That the leg of the section view is going through. And so, yeah, this is going to be a good one. And also, if you're interested in purchasing a study video, especially this one, because it's going to be really good, let me know in the comments below, and also email me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. So when we do a foundation, or this, for instance, right? What's a foundation? It's the formwork, it's the reinforcement, and it is the concrete. Well, this one in particular, it looks like we have tons of stem walls and, whatever this is, okay, whatever this is, we've got a lot of it. And so this is a good exercise. And so when I teach you how to do that, I'm going to teach you the 3-step process. One, the detail takeoff. Well, how do you do a detail takeoff from this? Well, it's even more detailed when you have all of this, right? We have some columns here, so we got to determine the size of the column pads, as well as the footers, and then the area, the slab on grade. And it's telling us here that this is 5 inches, so it's probably all 5-inch. But we could look at, when we look at the section view, we can determine that. And this is some kind of like collecting, holding container, this thing right here. Okay. So it's going to be nice. Okay. So you got to think formwork, reinforcement, and how many cubic yards of concrete. This is a really good one. If you're into, if you're a self-performer, I would suggest at any point in time to purchase any of my study videos, because, yeah, all of the different situations and circumstances that there could be, we're going to help you understand how to do that 1, 2, 3, detail takeoff 2, man hours, and when you take any of my workshops or classes. And that's going to come up next here today. And today is February 12th, 2025. If you're a concrete contractor, there are going to be a lot of really useful man hour calculators that we have created here with my team to help you determine how many man hours for a variety of things you could be doing in your trade. So thanks a lot for listening. Make sure to like, join, subscribe. This is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting. See you here on YouTube and hopefully in a class.